Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. People are suffering on account of becoming impious. So, one cannot understand what is God, what is Krishna, unless he has finished his impious activity. Jisham tu antagatam papam jananam punya karmana te dandamaho nirmukta bhajanti mang dirabdha. This is the principle. You cannot keep men in their impious activities, at the same time he becomes religious or God conscious. That is not possible. That is not possible. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has prescribed a very easy method to become pious. That is the chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Cheta Darpana Marjana. The real disease is within our heart. Hridirogo Kamo. Hridirogo Kamo. We have got a disease, heart disease. What is that? Kamo, lusty desires. That is called Hridirogo Kamo. So we have to cure this heart disease. Hridirogo Kamo. And that will be done simply by chanting and hearing the Hare Krishna mantra. Cheta Darpana Marjanam. The heart is all right, but it is covered by the material dirty things, namely the three gunas, Sattva, Raja, Tama guna. But by hearing simply Srimad Bhagavatam, by hearing chanting of Hare Krishna mantra, you will be purified. Nittanga Bhagavata Sevaya. Nasta prayeshu avadreshu nittanga Bhagavata Sevaya. Nittanga Bhagavata, if we take this opportunity, we are opening centers all over the world, just to give the people this opportunity. Nittanga Bhagavata Sevaya. Anartha upasamang sakshat bhakti yogam. Then, as soon as the heart is cleansed by hearing about Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommends that. Jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. This Srimad Bhagavatam is also Krishna upadesh. Because by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, you will be interested in Krishna. Upadesh about Krishna. That is also Krishna upadesh. And the upadesh in instruction given by Krishna, that is also Krishna upadesh. So, this is the mission of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that you go and preach and make propaganda about Krishna upadesh. This is Krishna consciousness movement. We are teaching all our men how to spread Krishna upadesh, how to spread Krishna consciousness. Then, anartha upasamam saksha, then all the unwanted things he has contaminated will be finished. Then pure consciousness. Pure consciousness is Krishna consciousness. Pure consciousness means to understand that I am very much intimately connected with Krishna as part and parcel. Just like my finger is very intimately connected with my body. Intimate. If there is little pain in the finger, I become so much disturbed. Because I have got intimate connection with this finger. Similarly, we have got intimate connection with Krishna. And we are fallen. Therefore, Krishna also feels little pain, and therefore he comes down. Paritranaya sadhuna vinashaya se duskita dharma samasthapanatthaya sambhavami juge juge Krishna is feeling pain. So you become Krishna conscious, then Krishna will feel pleasure. That is Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.